Hello everyone! In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a presentation with Canva just with your phone. So let's say that you are a student or you're someone who has to create a lot of presentation but you don't own any PCs or any laptop. Don't worry, you can still create an amazing presentation with the help of Canva. So first things first, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and try to search for the kind of presentation that we will want to do. So let's say that the presentation that we wanted to create is just some sort of casual presentation. It's not something super professional like business presentation. So I'm going to directly insert the topic of my presentation and then go ahead and click on search. Alright, so I search for environment presentation because that is going to be the presentation topic that I'm going to create. And as you can see, there is a lot of templates that we can choose from. Obviously you can create things from scratch, but I personally always like to create presentation or any other design from template just so that it could make things easier for me. And for now, I'm just going to try and take a look at the templates that I like the most and then start from there. So I like this ones right here, and I'm going to try to take a look at the rest of the presentation and see if things will work for me with this template. And I feel like all of the other templates pages are really good, so I'm going to go ahead and click customize this template. Alright, so this is how the templates looks like, and we got some pages that we can work with, and the total of this presentation is 10 pages. And we're going to start by renaming this presentation. So the current one is named project presentation, and I'm just going to change it into environment presentation by simply clicking on the text box. And I'm not going to change all of the wording, so I'm just going to change the first part of it, and I'm going to type in environment presentation, and I'm not going to put the website name or any website name over here, so I'm going to go ahead and delete it, and I'm going to readjust this one so that it's in the center, and you will be able to know whether an element or a text is on the center of the design if there are any purple lines showing like this one's right here. So if it creates some sort of a cross or a plus sign on the middle of the screen, it means that the element or the text are in fact in the center. Alright, so it looks good for now. And you can see that it actually comes in a lot of different elements. If I click around it, these brush strokes are actually individual element, and if I drag it, you can see that it moved. And let's say that I accidentally moved something and I would like to undo it, I can just click on this arrow on top right here, and it's going to bring the design back to its place. Alright, so now that we're done with the first page, we're going to go ahead and click the second one and start editing it into the text that we will want to put. So again, all you have to do is click on the text box, double tap on it until it all highlighted, and then you can change it into whatever you want to say. Now you can see that my text is slightly longer than the text box, and there are two things that I can do to fix it so that it could end up in just 2 lines instead of 3. I can first adjust the length of my text box by dragging on this bar right here so that it looks something like this. Or I can also just make the text smaller by clicking on all of the text, click on font size, and then I can just drag this bar right here and adjust it so that it's going to fit better inside of my text box and look some things like that. Now we have the options to add some pictures into our design, and this is the original picture that comes with this template. And let's say that I want to change it into my own pictures. All I have to do is go to the navigation bar at the very bottom of my screen, and you'll be able to see this upload options. And you can go ahead and click on upload and start uploading your files through there. So let's say that this duck picture is the one that I'm going to add, and all I have to do is click on the picture and it's going to be put inside of my design. And I think that this picture right here comes with a frame. So in order to add my picture, all I have to do is click on the duck picture that I just add and drag it on top of my frame. And with the dots on the very end of each corner, I can adjust this duck picture so that it's going to fit better into my frame. So it looks something like this. And you can see that I've zoomed in into my presentation, and you can do that by simply pinching or dragging your screen with 2 fingers. And if you would like to zoom in, all you have to do is move your 2 fingers on the opposite sides, and to make it smaller you can just move your fingers to the same direction or to meet each other. And let's say that you don't have the pictures that you will want to add yet, you can also try to use the pictures that Canva already have. And you can do that by going to Elements, and then you can go ahead and search, for example, nature. Go ahead and search for it, and then you can see that there is this photo options right here. And you can use the pictures from these selections as a pictures for your presentation. So let's say that I want to use this one. I can just go ahead and click on it. And let's say that I don't want to use this one for this specific page. I can just go ahead and click on it, copy these pictures, go to the next page, and then paste that pictures over here. And as you can see, it has inserted to the next page, and I can just delete this one. Alright, so it looks really good. And let's say that I want to use this as a background. I can do that by again dragging this picture, adjusting it so that it's going to fit perfectly into the frame. And then I can go ahead and click on the triple dots right here, and then I'm just going to go ahead and click send to the back, and now it's at the very back of my design. And then I can just change the color of this text by clicking on it, click on colors, and then change it, let's say, into white. Alright, so it looks something like this, and I'm going to do the same to the other elements available here. Alright, so it looks something like that. And in case you feels like the picture is a little bit too vibrant, you can always edit the pictures by clicking on it. And then you can go ahead and play around with the transparency so that it's not as vibrant. So I'm going to lower it down into maybe 82. Yeah, it looks pretty good. And now we got a wonderful design. And once you're done with your design, all you have to do is go ahead and click on the share button at the very top right of the screen, and then start downloading it, and then you get a wonderful presentation. And this is how the presentation looks like so far. And that's basically it. That is how you can create a presentation with Canva on your mobile phone. Obviously, before you do all of this, you're going to have to download Canva first, whether it's with your Play Store or with your App Store. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Have a great day.